New season, new energy, new glow. We're talking juicy skin, shiny hair, and soft girl vibes all summer. Let's glow up, babe. Start with your skin. Summer skin needs to be clean, protected, and hydrated. Begin your morning by washing your face with a gentle foaming cleanser. This removes sweat, oil, and dirt without stripping away moisture. After cleansing, use a calming toner like rose water or witch hazel to balance your skin. Apply a vitamin C serum to brighten, reduce hyperpigmentation, and fight sun damage. Follow up with a lightweight, gel-based moisturizer to keep your skin soft without making it greasy. Always apply sunscreen. Choose one with SPF 30 or higher, broad spectrum protection, and water resistance. Apply it on your face, neck, ears, and even your hands. Reapply every 2 to 3 hours, especially if you're sweating or outdoors. At night, double cleanse your skin if you wear sunscreen or makeup. Use a cleansing balm or micellar water first, followed by your regular face wash. Swap your morning serum with hyaluronic acid or niacinamide for hydration and to tighten pores. Lock everything in with a night cream or aloe vera gel for a cooling effect. Hydration is the key to glowing skin. Drink at least 2 to 3 liters of water daily. Add lemon, mint, or cucumber slices to make it more refreshing. Eat water-rich fruits like watermelon, oranges, papaya, and strawberries. These fruits are packed with antioxidants and keep your skin bright and youthful. Exfoliate your skin twice a week to remove dead skin cells. Use a gentle scrub or a chemical exfoliant like glycolic acid, especially if you have dull or uneven skin tone. After exfoliating, always moisturize deeply and avoid sun exposure right after. Use face masks 2 to 3 times a week. Choose clay masks for oily skin, hydrating sheet masks for dry skin, or DIY masks made from yogurt, honey, and turmeric for an all-natural glow. For your hair, begin with a deep oiling treatment once a week. Warm coconut or almond oil and massage it gently into your scalp. This improves blood flow, reduces hair fall, and nourishes the roots. Leave it in for at least 30 minutes, then wash with a sulfate-free shampoo. Use a conditioner that suits your hair type. Apply a leave-in conditioner or serum to prevent frizz and protect your strands from humidity and UV damage. Let your hair air dry naturally. Avoid using blow dryers and flat irons during the summer, as they cause more dryness. Embrace heatless hairstyles like loose braids, bubble ponytails, or messy buns. These are stylish and gentle on your hair. Trim your split ends every few weeks to keep your hair healthy and fresh. Use a silk or satin pillowcase while sleeping to reduce breakage and keep your hair smooth. Your lips also need attention. Gently exfoliate your lips twice a week using a mixture of sugar and honey. This removes dead skin and leaves them soft and smooth. Apply a lip balm with SPF during the day and a nourishing lip mask or oil at night. Massage your face daily using a roller, gua sha, or your fingers. Apply a bit of facial oil and massage your jawline, cheeks, and forehead. This improves blood flow, depuffs your face, and enhances your natural glow. Use ice cubes wrapped in a cloth to tighten pores, reduce redness, and add instant freshness. Your hands and feet complete the look. Soak your feet once a week in warm water mixed with salt and a few drops of essential oil. Scrub with a pumice stone or foot scrub to remove dead skin. Apply thick moisturizer or Vaseline, wear socks overnight, and wake up with baby soft feet. Moisturize your hands after every wash. Apply cuticle oil and keep your nails trimmed and shaped. Go for pastel or nude shades for a clean, fresh manicure and pedicure look. Clothing makes a big difference in your glow-up. Choose breathable fabrics like cotton and linen. Go for light, flowy dresses, oversized shirts. Stick to summer colors like white, lilac, mint green, peach, or sky blue. Add small accessories, layered chains, hoop earrings, dainty bracelets, or a bold pair of sunglasses. Don't overdo it. Simplicity is effortless glow. Smell good. Use a light, fresh fragrance like citrus, vanilla, or floral mist. Layer your perfume with lotion to make it last longer. Your sleep and mindset matter just as much. Get 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep every night. Your body repairs itself while you rest. Avoid screens before bed. Meditate, journal, or read for a few minutes. Wake up early, stretch your body, and move your muscles. Even 10 minutes of walking or yoga makes a difference. Protect your peace. Glow-ups aren't just physical, they're mental. Cut off toxic energy. Focus on self-love, gratitude, and positive people around you. Take time to recharge alone and remind yourself of how far you've come. Confidence is the final step of your glow-up. When you feel good, you look good. Stand tall, smile more, wear what makes you feel powerful, and walk like you own every room you enter. That's your full body, full energy, full mind summer glow up. No shortcuts, no filters, just real, radiant you.